Hey everyone, Nick Videos 510 here. I'm sorry if I upload another video. I was so bored I didn't have anything to do. So I guess I'll make another YouTube video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to get a customized Gamerpic. You see I have XboxOne. How to get that is you have to press your home, like the Xbox button, onto your remote and go to your profile pic right here. Then you say your the thing here, like you say your username and everything to sign out, but you go up there, click here, and go see how it says that your home and everything shows it there. Make sure to go to profile, my profile, and then you go to customize profile. Then you go to change Gamerpic, and you go to upload a custom image. You see here, I have a custom image right here, guys. Let me show you how to get it. So you go to here. Okay. And it'll give you this thing here. Wait for it. And it gives you a folder which you right click on. You go to Microsoft Edge, and then you press this button right here. And you hit download image, and then go back to where I said, like, go to profile, go to customize profile. I'll show you. So I'm saying, and when you download, then you go to profile like this. It should look like this. Then go to customize profile. Then go to Gamerpic. Then click on change Gamerpic. And you hit upload a custom image, it could be, and then go here, and to find that custom image that you downloaded is go to here. I'm having a little problem here. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, guys, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so guys, I'm back. So go to this is the device, and go back on. Hold on, guys. My controller dropped, and that what happened. I was fixing it, and go to downloads, and then you find all these images here. See how it's trying to look here, but you guys have to do is make sure this is how many pixels they want you to have. They want you to have at least 1080 something. I'll show you guys. I'll show you, for example. They here go down, and here. They want to do that for you. See, it has to be at least this pixels to do it. You need 1080px, and the height has to be 1080px, so it can match it. So it's able to fit into the thing. And this is what it looks like when you failed the image. It will show you this circle here. And then these are the controls. You want to like edit your picture. You want to zoom in. You want to zoom out. You want to move the image. You want to like reset the image. And here it is. This is the thing here. This is right here, right, to upload your picture. It'll be available for everyone to see, so keep it clean. Sticking to the XLive code of conduct. It means it has to be appropriate Gamerpic, so you won't be banned. So you probably will be banned if you put any inappropriate picture in here. And it's here, so you can try again. You can choose an image, or you can upload again. So yeah, guys, so make sure, I hope this helps for you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, peace out. And stay juicy. Ah!